telling everybody up your speed. That was a couple of years ago, and now I'm revving up for deliverance, switching up gears, got a couple of years to go. Here we go, as soon as you hear that go, Liverpool to Portsmouth, yeah, that chorus, got the crowd screaming.
Yes guys, what's going on? My name is AA and today I'm back again with another video. And first of all guys, I just want to say thank you very much for 100 subscribers. I showed you that little clip at the start of the video, and yeah, that took me quite a while to create, so I hope you liked it. And yeah, I'm just glad that we finally reached the milestone of 100 subscribers, and I hope that from now this channel is only going to go one way, and that is, you know, up in terms of subscribers. And yeah, I really can't thank you guys enough. It is highly appreciated, and to be honest, I never thought I'd get here, and now I am here. It's kind of crazy. So yeah guys, I really do appreciate that. And so today is going to be another tutorial, so I'm just going to show you guys basically today how you can set up a Discord server for creatives. And yeah, I know Discord is mainly for gaming, but it can be used by creatives. And if you don't know what I mean by creatives, I mean people like designers, photographers, videographers, illustrators, stuff like that. And it's just a really cool way to connect with people, and yeah, stuff like that. You know, you can just look at other people's work, you know, portfolio reviews, that's one big thing that you can do. And yeah, just some really cool stuff like that. If you guys do want to join a Discord server, then the link in the description will be below for you to join my Discord server. Everyone's welcome, and yeah, so you can click that link in the description and join the server. And also in the description guys will be the website that you can come to Discord and log in. And I'm just going to be using the website version. You can use the app version, the app version, and that's pretty much it. So just click the link in the description below and we can get started. So the first thing you want to do is obviously make an account if you already haven't. So you just want to click here, register, at the bottom there, and then obviously you just want to fill in all your account details. And I've already got an account, so I'm just going to log into mine and I'll talk to you in a second. Okay guys, so now I'm in Discord, and you'll be able to get into Discord once you've registered. And then what you need to do, this will be blank here, so you just want to find where it says a plus down here. So I'll just press plus here, and then it says you either join or create a server. Obviously in this case we're creating a server, so you just want to press that. And then obviously you want to come up with a server name. I'm just going to call it Double A's Discord, just because I don't know what else to call it. The region, yeah, just go with Western Europe, and I'm not going to mess with the icon right now, but obviously you can make your own icon and apply it right there. And then I'm just going to press create to create the server, and it'll just come up here, and this is a link that you can use here to just get people to join your link, and it's just a link that will allow people to come into your Discord. So that's pretty cool there. And then all of a sudden you'll have a Discord server. So obviously a Discord isn't just made up of like a general chat, it's made up of text and voice channels. I'm not going to get into voice channels because it's a bit too complex, but I'm just going to get into text channels today. So I'm just going to make some text channels just to show what kind of channels you can have in your Discord. So for example, general, that's fine, and you can just press edit channel there, and you know, just edit it all there. You just put like this chat is for general discussion only, or something like that, and that's fine. And you just press save change there, and that's how you edit, you know, channels. But to create a channel, so you can see that there, to create a channel you just want to press create channel, the plus. And so an example of a channel you could do is YouTube videos, so YT videos, and this can be obviously a text or voice. I'm just going to keep it with text. And this channel here, YT videos, you know, YouTube videos, can be where people can link their YouTube videos, YouTube channels and just self-promote themselves, so they can just do that by linking it. Pretty self-explanatory really. And another channel could be portfolio reviews. I just did port reviews, and pretty much every designer, photographer, videographer has a portfolio of some sort, so they can just link it there, get feedback on their work, which is really cool because you're talking to people who are like-minded and just have the same interests as you, and it's just a really cool way to connect and make friends in this community, and that's going to help you grow ultimately. So another channel that you can do here, for example, is just plain old self-promotion, and that's obviously just self-promotion. And then obviously you can make more specific channels such as design share, which is obviously for sharing your designs, and obviously you can do stuff like photography share as well, which is for those photographers. So it's really cool how you can just make a Discord for creatives, and it's something that I do really want to get more people into, because it's just a really good starting point for you to just get into the community. And I think it's better than Twitter personally, but there is a big community on Twitter, of course, but I just think this is really cool just for talking with people. And especially if you get good channels and you get the right people in your server, you get mods and stuff like that, you can just create really cool contacts, really cool relationships, and yeah, to be honest, it's just a win-win situation if you ask me. So thank you guys for watching this video. Obviously all the links in the description below when you want to come to Discord, and obviously of course you're welcome to join my Discord. I'll show you right here, Grinders Corner. But I should change that name, but yeah, and you can just come in here. We've got around about 15 members or so, and it's just a really nice place where you can just come and chat with me and some other guys right here. You can all see there. And yeah, so one more thing I just want to say is thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I really do appreciate it, guys. And yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking now, and finally Double A is out.